This Overlander costs over $1 million and it is absolutely incredible. The front has this massive front bumper with a light bar. It also has a winch right here, multiple lights built into the front bumper. You also get these 20-inch buck stop rims, these massive tires, off-road suspension. This beast is built on the Ram 5500 chassis. It's got more lights right here. This super rugged adventure skin, it's built on a crew cab so you can travel with multiple people. You also get these heavy duty running boards right here. Then coming to the back, you have the entry door right here that has a window, a handle to get in and out right here, another massive tire. This is on a single axle. You have 3 speakers right here. Then inside of this storage compartment right here, you have some massive through and through storage with another little compartment up top here. You have a EcoFlow battery system. This beast has a 3,000 watt inverter. You also get 3 separate 600 amp hour lithium batteries. One is in here, the other one is inside of here. Then on the other side of this camper, you get another one. This plug right here allows you to add a solar panel if you want to. Then all the way in the back, you get this massive mount right here so you can mount your spare tire. It also has lights right here and backup sensors. The entire camper also gets 360-degree lights and cameras, which is pretty cool. You have your spot to fill with diesel right here. Then this is where your third lithium battery is. Again, this beast has 3 individual 600 amp hour lithium batteries, so you can go off grid for a long time. You also get a outdoor shower right here. You have your shore power connection here, your spots to fill your fresh water here. You also get a spot where you can access your cassette toilet. I love how all of the plumbing is ran in PEX inside of this unit. This thing is rated to go in extreme environments and can go up to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. This entire shell is a one-piece monolithic shell, which allows it not to leak, and it's also really lightweight compared to a lot of other Overlanders like this in the industry. They offer different interior and exterior finishes. This is their black model right here, and it has the same adventure skin. Now, coming to the inside of it, you have a screen door that's right here. Then you get this nice leather wall right here that separates the cab area from the camper. And you get this ladder right here that lets you come up on top of the cab, which has a comfortable king-size bed, a skylight up there, windows on both sides that do open. You also get a flat screen TV up here. You get built-in cup holders, outlets with built-in USB ports, and a decent amount of headroom. The back has this pretty big size wet bath. You get your cassette toilet right here. You also get a retractable door that dries itself, and a small sink, a shower head right here, and you also get a exhaust fan up top and a window that does open and close to let out some of the steam. The back has this L-shaped couch right here with 2 tables on these lagoon mounts. These are bamboo tabletops, and this also does turn into a bed, so you can just remove the lagoon table mounts, and these pieces of wood fit onto these grooves right here. And then these cushions right here will fit into place, making another bed. All the cabinets in this camper are all made out of aluminum, which is really heavy duty, and you actually get a ton of space for the square footage, which is really cool. You get built-in LEDs, pegboards right here, a small sink. I believe this is like a 12 by 9, maybe a 12 by 12. It has a cutting board up here. Then if you click this button, you get pop-up outlets, USB ports, and USB-C ports. Then underneath, you get more storage. Everything is aluminum, super, super heavy duty. Then right across, you get a pretty big 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. Right next to it, you get some more floor-to-ceiling storage, which is really, really awesome. Then up top, you get a max air fan to suck out any smoke from the bad cookers. You also get a air conditioner right here that does fully run off of the batteries, which is really cool. I love the way that it has wraparound windows, which makes it feel a lot bigger. They all open. They also have built-in screens and shades, which is really cool. And right here you get another flat screen TV that's on a swivel mount. And these cushions are really comfortable. They're all wrapped in leather, so they're nice and easy to clean. The interior height in here is over 6 feet tall. You get a touchscreen monitor right here from EcoFlow that lets you find out how much battery percentage you have left and turn things on and off like your lighting. You also get a extendable countertop right here, a microwave on this side right here, this really rugged floor, and then the door also has a built-in trash can right here, and also it has a built-in window with a shade. Then the roof has a 350 watt solar panel. This thing also has a 20-gallon gray water tank, and everything feels really well built. This thing's rated for 4 seasons, and I absolutely see why. Now, the inside of this massive beast, you have a leather wrap steering wheel, this big touchscreen navigation system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, USB ports, and basically all the features that you would get in a luxury pickup truck, except you can go off-roading in this type of luxury. That's pretty crazy if you ask me. You get a bunch of storage, you get cup holders. Now, one of the only things you can't do with this thing is bring it through a Starbucks drive-through because it's too tall, but you can take it on a mountain and chill. Under the hood, we have a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine. It does have a turbo. It makes 360 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque. This is a 2026 Trekker that's made by 27 North. They're 25 feet long. The prices start at $575,000, and this blue one here goes for 1.1 million US dollars. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, or click subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content.